Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here at CUAV 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with my new friend from Gremsy, Jay. Jay, how's it going, man? It's nice to meet you. Absolutely. Yeah. So, Gremsy Gimbals, really well known in the industry. You guys have premier stabilization solutions. What are some of the new solutions you've got out now, and what are you here promoting at CUAV?
Yeah. At this show, Gremsy is a Vietnamese manufacturer. We bring a brand new gimbal that supports specifically for the new Sony IXM LR1 camera. Yeah, the Pixie LR, which is the lightweight gimbal, just 495 grams, and support for various kind of lens for the Sony, from 24 to the 35, 55 to 85 lenses for the Sony, and also with various kind of port here is support for the Bishore, Cupola scanner, and Epic drone system.
Okay.
And also the first gimbal we integrate with the USB 3.0 that support for the transfer of wideband data when the drone flying.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Of course, and we open an AUX port at here so that the customer can integrate a further laser rangefinder or a thermal core above the camera of the Sony, so that the whole payload can support for more and more application on the drone industry. Yeah,
that's great value too, because it expands your client's abilities to offer more services rather than just RGB cameras.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of compatibility, we know obviously Sony's one, but Gremsy is really compatible with a lot of platforms. Tell us how you do that.
Yeah, with that we not only the new drone of the Epic of the Sony or any other kind of drone platform, we support with very kind of COM2 or COM3 port here, so that and ambient with the Pixhor and the Maplin protocol inside the gimbal, so that the drone manufacturer can communicate with the gimbal.
Okay.
In here. Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
Lightweight gimbals are really important too, because when you have UAVs in the air, obviously the heavier the payload, the less flight time. So, tell me, what goes into getting that balance, making sure that you can support heavy payloads, but you also have a lightweight gimbal.
Yeah. In the new gimbal, we redesigned with the industry design to have a better curve of the gimbal. Also, we flat with a thick material of the gimbal, so make it getting more lightweight and extremely fit with the gimbal and the lens. You have there no gap with the whole payload, so make keep more lighter than ever. Yeah, than other standard gimbal.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's impressive. Now, if people want to learn more about Gremsy, your gimbal platforms, and how they can get more information, where do they go?
Yeah, they can go to Gremsy.com to find more information about Gremsy product. As well as the brand new gimbal here, they can get to scan with the QR code to get more information of the new gimbal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Hey, do you want to hold that QR code up to the camera so that they can scan it on here?
Yeah, this the QR code. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Excellent. Yeah, scan that QR code. You'll have tons of information there. Jay, it was really nice meeting you. Thank you so
nice
much.
To meet you too.
Make sure you check them out. Gremsy Gimbals. Absolutely awesome.
Yeah.